Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and these days we are busy customizing the orders with our customer, and our customer always want to customize the order with us. I think that's because that they know that we understand what their requirement is, and we are able to do exactly the same thing that they want to realize. So that's why they trust us, can do exactly what they are looking for. We can supply the best service for them, so that's why they love it. And we can do a lot of customizing orders for no matter the colors or different size or different hair textures. And today's video I will show you light yaki hair texture bundles, and this is our customized texture for our clients. It's a light yaki hair that we're making for our clients, and in previous video I showed you the yaki hair texture that we're making, and I think that's the regular yaki hair texture, but we have clients that who want more light, and they give us the photos and we do exactly what they want to do. And this is the light yaki that we are making. So we do this according to their photos. So if you want to do any kind of different hair textures or colors, and you can also contact us and we're able to do that as well. And this is the light yaki. I actually like it very much also, so I decided to put it on the website. And so if you want this type of yaki hair texture, now it's available on our website, and you can go to our website and place your order. It's very beautiful. I really like it, and I think you will also like it as well. We can do this texture with different hair, like no matter it's Remy hair or raw hair or any type of premium hair, raw virgin hair, we can all do the same texture. So if you want this hair texture or you want any hair texture, you can feel free to contact us or place your order on our website. We will be able to supply you the best hair products with best hair service. We promise you that we will do that, and we keep improving everything. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any question or you have any requirement, you can comment below, and you can also contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.